Another question I usually get asked is, Lawyer Esther, do I have to be in court to get a divorce? The answer to that is yes. You have to be in court, right, to give your evidence, to give your testimony. Nigeria's judicial system is not the one like in the UK, in the US, where you get a piece of paper and then parties begin to sign it so that they then get a divorce. Even with that, right, divorce is not signed in a day, it's not signed in a week. You know, there's talks of back to back, I want this, I want that, you can have this, you can have that, right? But Nigeria, you literally have to maybe not come to the courts. You have the options of either doing your divorce virtually, or you can actually come physically to the courts. So what happens is that you must give your evidence, right? Even if it's a situation, there's no such thing as no fault divorce. There's no such thing as irreconcilable differences. It doesn't exist in our judicial system. Your reason for divorce has to fall under at least one or two of those 8 grounds, proved, of course, to the satisfaction of the courts that the marriage has broken down irretrievably. So now that question of, Lawyer Esther, do I have to be in court? Do I have to pay? You have to give your evidence. You have to give your testimony. You have to be led by a lawyer to do that. So therefore, yes, you have to pass through the judiciary for you to get that divorce. At least the judge must see your face, even if it's virtually or Zoom or whatever. They must see, because their documents are going to be tendered through you. If at all you're not going to give any evidence, your marriage certificate is going to be tendered, right? So that's one of the things that you can't do a faceless divorce. You are hiding at the back, or you just don't want to appear, don't want to exist. You should just do it, and it doesn't work like that. Not in Nigeria. Yes, you have to be, for that answer, yes, you have to be available for your divorce, because evidence has to be led through. You have to give your testimony, you have to give your evidence, and the court must be satisfied that truly the marriage has broken down irretrievably. I hope that answers your question.